Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your standard climate controls in the 2024 Kia Sportage. I have in front of me here an LX front-wheel drive in Vesta Blue. Let's get started. Okay, so to start us off, the standard climate controls are down here underneath your audio display. And these are pretty straightforward. On the left, you do have a fan speed knob to adjust how fast you want the fan to be. And on the right, we have our temperature knob to adjust what temperature you want it to be. Of course, the furthest in the red is going to be the hottest temperature, and the furthest into the blue is going to be the coldest, and max AC is going to be your coldest air conditioning. The buttons across the top here, the four, those are like the mode buttons, just to show where you want the air to come from. So that would be coming from your front vents. This would be coming from the front and down by your feet. This one would be just for down by your feet. And then you have the one for the lower one, as well as your front defroster going. When you use the ones that have it coming from the front, that's also going to include the vents in the back of your center console for the rear seat passengers. Then you still have your dedicated front and rear defroster buttons. And don't forget that when you turn the rear defroster on, that does include the side mirrors. So you have heated side mirrors. I did another video just on that, but linked with the rear defroster. And then of course, when you want your full actual AC, you're gonna go ahead and turn your air conditioning on and again, put it to max AC for the coldest. This is your air recirculation button. So right now it's not on. So anytime this isn't on, it's going to be bringing in fresh air. And normally when you have your air conditioning on, this will come on with it just to keep the cold air in and the hot air out when you're using the air conditioning, like more specifically. And if you don't want to have this on at all, you go ahead and take it down to 0. And now there's going to be no airflow coming from it. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching, guys.